This is my DJI Action 4. It has been through everything. It has got me shots like this. And this is my settings for a perfect looking motovlog. But let's talk about the camera for a bit. It has a 1.3 inch CMOS sensor with a field of view of 155 degrees. We're gonna record in 4K 16:9 in 25 frames per second. The stabilization set to rock steady. In Pro mode, our shutter speed is gonna be 1/50 for a smooth motion blur, and ISO can vary between 100 to 800. White balance to 5600 and switch the color to DLog 10. This only if you're planning to color grade your footage after. Field of view to ultra wide, and I like to keep my sharpness and noise reduction at the minimum. With these settings, the footage might look overexposed. The solution? ND filters. I have 3 levels of ND filter: 8, 16 and 32. Use them according to your lighting condition. And that's how you get a well exposed footage for your next vlog.